मार्केट की तरफ चलते हैं। जी हाँ, आज दिन भी अच्छा है क्योंकि आज गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज की लिस्टिंग भी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग रही थी, इसलिए अब आईपीओ में अगर आप देखें लोगों का रुझान बढ़ने लगा है। और चलिए अब इसी उपलक्ष्य में एक नए आईपीओ के बारे में बात करते हैं। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ इन्फिनिट कंप्यूटर सॉल्यूशन के आईपीओ के बारे में, जो कि बाजार में जो कि खुलेगा। अगर आप देखें 11 जनवरी से ये आईपीओ खुलेगा और इसका प्राइस बैंड है करीब 155 से 165 रखा गया है। मैनेजमेंट हमारे साथ मौजूद है, श्री उपेंद्र जुस्सी हमारे साथ मौजूद है, एमडी एंड सीईओ। उपेंद्र जी नमस्कार, कार्यक्रम में स्वागत है। सबसे पहले आपको मुबारकबाद, आप एक आईपीओ लेके आ रहे हैं जिसमें 155 से अपने 165 रुपए का प्राइस बैंड रखा गया है। दर्शकों को एक बहुत सरल शब्दों में अगर समझाना हो, ये आपकी कंपनी का कोर बिजनेस क्या है और विश्व भर में यानी क्रॉस द वर्ल्ड आपकी प्रेजेंस कहाँ पर है?
अगर आप if you don't mind, can I respond to that question in English?
You can.
We are an IT services and solutions company. That's our core business, and we have three service offerings, three clear cut service, which is application management outsourcing, remote infrastructure management, and product-based and intellectual property-based leveraged solutions that we offer to our clients in five major industry verticals like telecommunication, media, healthcare, manufacturing, and energy. Worldwide, we have a global presence. We started the company in the US. We have 4 offices in the US. That's a major market for us. In addition to US, we also operate out of UK, in London. We have offices in Singapore, Malaysia, and obviously we have 4 delivery centers in India, which include main campus in Bangalore. We have about our own campus in Bangalore in Whitefield area. In addition to Bangalore, we operate out of Chennai, Gurgaon, and Hyderabad. So ये हमारे major offices हैं worldwide, and our main business जो है, which is essentially providing IT services, IT solutions to our clients in these countries.
Now, Narendra, up till now we have seen that most of the Indian IT companies now, I mean, they are largely dependent on the US economy. I mean, 60 to 70% of their revenue is coming out of the US economy. Could you give me a sense about a revenue mix? How much you are getting from US, in Europe, might be from China, might be Middle East, India?
See, we started the company in the US. Obviously, our major market continues to be the US. We were, till very recent past, predominantly focused on the US market. However, having said that, over the last 3 years or so, we have started diversifying and addressing other markets, more specifically Europe, as well as India and Asia-Pac. As of last year, financial year 09, we got close to a little less than 90% of our business from the United States, and the rest 10% came from Europe and India.
Now, what's your sense about India?
However, while we move,
lots of companies, I mean, right now they are emphasizing on India, especially, I mean, the way the government is spending on the IT infrastructure. What's your sense about India?
Right. No, we're very excited about this market. I mean, when we started off with, we were predominantly export-oriented, and to a large extent we still are. But India as a market, we're quite excited about it. There are 3 major segments that we address in India. They include the manufacturing, which is largely textile. We do a lot of work in the textile sector in India. We engage with our global clients, the companies that we work globally, like companies like Verizon Communication, IBM, Alcatel-Lucent, AOL, Fujitsu. So those companies not only work in US and Europe, we also try to engage with them in India. And in addition to that sector, 2 major areas, the biggest strength of this company is obviously telecommunications. So we are trying to enter the market in India, either directly or through partnerships with large system providers. And the third and the major significant focus that we're putting now in the Indian market, as you rightly said, is the government sector, and more specifically the energy and utility segment, where we have significant expertise and we have implemented some very large projects in the recent past.
Now, I mean,
so
one more thing. I mean,
we're quite excited.
One more thing. I mean, could you give me a sense about, I mean, your revenue and your profitability during the last, I mean, quarter, or might be during the last fiscal?
Yeah, I can give you. If you look at our last year, which is financial year 09, we had a revenue of 495 crores. In the first 6 months of this year, which is H1 ending September, our revenue was 318 crores.
Now, one more thing. I mean, the special question about this IPO. I mean, you are how much amount you are, I mean, going to gather through this IPO, and what is the main reason on how you will utilize this money in the? I mean, what process you are going to utilize this money?
I mean, the issue size, I mean, at the upper end of the band, which is the band, as you rightly said at the start of the program, is 155 rupees to 165. At the upper end of the band, it's about 190 crores. Out of that, 50% is fresh issue and 50% is offer for sale. We had a private equity investment from a fund called White Rock out of Singapore, so they are exiting. The primary purpose of raising money for IPO essentially on three accounts. One is part of our growth strategy going forward is based on acquisitions. So we would like to fund, and close to about 38 crores is allocated towards that. We're also expanding. As we're growing, we need to expand our facilities and infrastructure. And some amount of the proceeds, is about 26 crores, will go towards expanding our infrastructure facilities. We have a small debt as of now on our books, which we will repay as part of the proceeds.
चलिए नरेंद्र, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका इस पूरी चर्चा के लिए और अपने इस आईपीओ के बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए हमसे। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका और एक बार फिर से आपको शुभकामनाएं अपने इस आईपीओ के लिए। ये थे हमारे साथ इस आईपीओ पर बातचीत करते हुए इस कंपनी के एमडी एंड सीईओ श्री उपेंद्र जूत्सी, एमडी एंड सीईओ। खैर चलिए बता के तो बैठने के लिए एक छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए चलते हैं साहब।